Since the dawn of time, humans have gazed up at the stars, seeking answers to life's mysteries. We've searched for meaning in the constellations, believing they hold the secrets of the universe. Our ancestors observed patterns in the sky. They linked those patterns to human behavior, creating a cosmic map that connects us to the stars. These patterns evolved into the zodiac signs we know today, each with its own story and significance. Your zodiac sign is more than just a symbol. It is a reflection of your inner self and cosmic identity. It reveals your cosmic blueprint, offering insights into your personality, strengths, and challenges. It holds the key to understanding yourself on a deeper level, guiding you through life's journey. Each zodiac sign possesses unique strengths and weaknesses, shaping who we are and how we interact with the world. These traits influence our personalities, motivations, and destinies, helping us understand our place in the universe. By tapping into this ancient wisdom, we gain valuable self-awareness and a deeper connection to the cosmos. This awareness helps us navigate life's complexities, making informed decisions and finding our true path. Call of Destiny is your guide to the stars and beyond. It helps you unlock your zodiac's full potential by providing insights that are deeply rooted in ancient astrological wisdom. This innovative service offers personalized astrological readings that are crafted just for you. These readings are meticulously tailored to your unique birth chart, ensuring that every detail is considered. They offer profound insights into your personality, your strengths, and areas where you can grow. Call of Destiny is more than just a daily horoscope. It's a comprehensive guide to your life's journey. Think of it as a personalized roadmap, helping you navigate the twists and turns of life with confidence. Our expert astrologers analyze your birth chart in great detail. They consider the position of celestial bodies at the exact moment of your birth. This detailed analysis provides valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions. You'll gain a deeper understanding of your strengths, weaknesses, and potential, empowering you to live your best life. What sets Call of Destiny apart is personalization. Generic horoscopes offer vague predictions. Call of Destiny delves deeper. We use your unique birth time, date, and location. This creates a personalized astrological blueprint. This blueprint is the key to understanding your unique cosmic makeup. With this knowledge, you can make informed decisions. You'll align your actions with your strengths. You'll navigate challenges with greater awareness. This empowers you to live your best life. Section 4, Navigating Life's Journey with Astrological Insights. The insights gained from Call of Destiny extend to all areas of life. Career, relationships, health. Astrology offers guidance. Discover your ideal career path based on your strengths. Gain a deeper understanding of your compatibility with others. Make informed decisions about your well-being. Section 5. Embrace your destiny. Call of Destiny empowers you. Call of Destiny is more than just a service. It's a philosophy. It's a journey into the depths of your astrological identity, helping you uncover the hidden truths of your life. We believe that knowledge is power. By understanding the cosmic influences on your life, you can make informed decisions and navigate your path with confidence. Understanding your astrological profile empowers you. It provides clarity and insight into your strengths, challenges, and opportunities. You can take control of your destiny. With this knowledge, you can set meaningful goals and pursue them with determination. Our team of expert astrologers is dedicated to guiding you. They bring years of experience and a deep understanding of the stars to provide you with accurate and personalized insights. We provide personalized insights and support. Each report is tailored to your unique astrological profile, offering guidance that is specific to you. Embrace the wisdom of the stars. Let the celestial bodies illuminate your path and reveal the secrets of your zodiac. Unlock your zodiac's secret power. Discover the unique strengths and abilities that lie within you, waiting to be harnessed. Claim the life you were destined to live with Call of Destiny. Step into your true potential and embrace the future with confidence and clarity.